good morning. ICAD 2024, your daily dose. We're on the last of week 2, so it's day 14 is recipe. We're still doing collage. So I'm going to do Polyjuice Potion from Harry Potter. Apparently Hermione used it to transform your appearance. We'll give it a go. So it's basically the human version. It's lime sherbet, lemon and lime soda and ginger ale, so it's green basically. So I found a green glass in a gardening magazine, so I'm going to cut that out as my collage bit, pop it on there, put a stem on it or something, make it a bit more fancy, and then just write the recipe down. I think that'll do. I've gessoed the background on this one, it was a little bit too bright, so I'll see you on the other side. Right, there we are. Harry Potter inspired Polyjuice Potion. I covered that up because it just wasn't showing up, and that looks much better. So lime sherbet, ginger ale, lemon and lime soda. See you tomorrow. Bye.